Hi guys, I'm here with the fourth question related to RSCE exam 294. The question is install the role and first part is create directory role under slash home slash student slash ansible and create playbook called requirements.yml under role directory and download the given role under uh, it using Galaxy command. So role name should be balancer and download it using this URL. This URL is given and other role is PHP info and you have to use this URL to download this role. But in the exam you will be given these role URLs, but in our case we do not have these URL. But just to practice, I have already downloaded and copied from the internet and put it here. So how I can show you that how you can get these URL. And let me go to here on Google. You can write this and you will find this website. Okay, go to this website and you are here in the Ansible galaxy.ansible.com. Once you are here, hit this roles and then write here HA proxy and search it. So you can take any HA proxy role from here. Just hit it and go to GitHub repository and copy it from here, right? So I have already copied, so I don't need it. I just wanted to show it. And then for PHP, you just go here, go back and write PHP and search it, right? Take this one, go to this GitHub repository and then copy this. And you can use these URL just to practice at home. So I have already created my playbook and I don't want to waste the time in typing and copying pasting. I just wanted to show you the method. Now I'm going to take you to the roles directory we have already created. Remember when we were creating our Ansible configuration file, at that time we already created. You can create at that time and you can create it later on when you come to this question. It's up to you, but remember you have to do it. So I just want to go to this roles directory, and under this role directory I have created that file. As per the question, it says requirements.yml. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the question one more time. Here it says that create a playbook requirements.yml under roles directory. So this is what I'm doing. And in the question it says that role name should be balancer and role name should be PHP info. I just want to give you one tip in the exam. Just put this role first and balancer role after this. Okay, it will work better. Otherwise you will have some problem. Then in that case you have to switch it. So I have already done this and it's a tip. Remember it, it's a tip. So I have put PHP info first and balancer second. And this is the URL I have just copied from the internet and put it here just to practice in the exam. Here you have to put hyphen source and you have to put this URL, but in the exam this will be given to you. You have to use that one. And then name, role name is PHP info. Second one is hyphen source and you have to put this URL. I have already taken this from the internet, but in the exam you have to put there which you will be given. And at home I have just shown you how you can get this URL and practice it. And then name is balancer. Save it. I have already done it. Okay. Once it's saved, you have to run this command. In my case, it will not download anything, but because I have already done it, but I just want to show you that this is how you will use this command. Galaxy install what role, and then from where is home student, and then you have Ansible, and then under Ansible, what happened? You have roles directory, right? And under role you have this behaving weirdly. Requirements.yml. Then you have to put this flag, and then I would suggest you can put here roles directory name, but better put the whole path. This is another tip. And that's it. Then hit it. As I already told you that I have already installed it, so it will not install. But once you are installing it in your exam scenario or at home, it should be installing. And once you are done with this, you will ls, and you will find this balancer and php. This thing, you will see this thing also. This is your file under this directory, which your, I mean, playbook, right? You have written playbook under this file. So you will find this one, and balancer and php info. This one is just dependency, just ignore it, okay? And these things you can see, I will show you in next question. Those are the part of next question. These things only when you run this command, this playbook, you will see this thing, this php info balancer, and maybe this. But just ignore it. This is just a dependency because we do not have exact url, so that is why. So this was the answer to this question, guys. So if you think that this is useful for you, please subscribe my channel, share this video, like it, and hit the bell icon so that you could get updates. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.